Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bon matin, bonjour, bonsoir, jumbo, and welcome to the first African e-waste conference here from Nairobi, Kenya. The theme is unlocking the potential in sustainable e-waste management while achieving a circular economy. My name is Simone Andersson. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at WEEE Center. And together with the whole of WEEE Center, I'm honored to be hosting these 3 days of knowledge sharing, interesting talks, discussion, and benchmarking opportunities. Thank you for being with us. We have more than 50 experts to share insights on topics like regulations and policies, standards and practices, innovation and technology, capacity building, awareness creation, circularity, and resource recovery. Meet all the speakers. Now, when you're looking at your screen, you can actually go and to the left, which will be, to the left on your side, you have something called speakers, where you can see all our speakers coming during these 3 days. You can even book meetings with them or send them messages. The same thing you can do with other participants. In the lobby, you can see them, and lounge, you can sit down at a table and invite others to come so that you can have one-on-one meetings. Take the opportunity. And in the handouts later on, you will see our program. If you don't already have it, you can also find it on our webpage, www.weecenter.com. So we're also very curious about our audience today. I want to see where you all come from. So we're going to do a poll. And let me know. We're going to have 2 questions. One is where you're from. And then the other one is how long you've been engaged in e-waste management. So I just need to confirm that we have it on the screen. Because I'm seeing an admin screen. We wait with the poll. a bit? Okay. Today's focus will be regulations and policies. We will talk about the EPR, Extended Producer Responsibility, amongst other things, and also transboundary movement of e-waste. We will talk about what kind of standards we have in different countries and how we can compare them, and also then how the practices are being done in different countries. I will do my very best to keep the schedule as tight as possible, since we have many that we want to listen to, so that everybody gets their time for their speeches and presentations. And then we will have panel discussions where you can all also share your questions. During the whole session, you can write in the right-hand side of your panel, there's a Q&A, where you can write questions in. And if you see someone else might have written the question you want to ask, you can actually just press the heart, you can like it. That means, and we can see how many who likes that question, which will also, of course, then be taken will be given more priority when we have the Q&A session and the panel discussion. So that's how that works. We would like to recognize our sponsors. It is Close the Gap Kenya, it is Close the Gap Belgium, along with World Loop, who are supporting us for this event. So we'd like to say a great big thank you for this. So now back to the poll. How are we doing?
Yeah.
We're on?
Yes.
Okay, I just need to refresh this. So now it's active. You go to the polls in your right column, and you can submit your vote on which continent you're from. And me, I am in Africa, but I am from Europe, from Sweden. Yeah. And then you submit your vote. And then comes the other question of how long have you been in the e-waste industry, or even known about this? So we will wait a while. Have you found it? It's in the right-hand side of your panel. It says polls. Polls. How are we doing? We want to share. Looking at my team here. Yeah, you share. Q, share the polls. Oh, I need to refresh perhaps. Sorry about that. Oh, here we go. Look at this. So it's an African conference, and we have 71% from Africa. That's a very good sign. We have 18% from Europe, 6% from North America, nobody from Antarctica, that feels okay, nobody from Australia, and nobody from South America so far. Thank you for that. And then we have the other question of how long you've been in the e-waste industry. Let me know when it's open.
It's open.
I can't see it.
39%.
Huh?
39%.
Yeah, but just come and help me. Oh, no, thank you. So So we have 39% have been working in the e-waste industry or have known about this less than 1 year. Then we have 22% 1 to 3 years. And there must have been someone who has pressed more than 3 years. I know I did. So for some reason this does not. Okay, or maybe not. Well, great. Thank you for your participation so far in this introduction. And without further ado, I want to secure that we have Leon. Okay, we will start with Dr. Why do I have this? Okay. Dr. Virginia Onyara